Liverpool to Portsmouth, yeah, that chorus got the crowd screaming.
I figured out how to do this. This is a little bit weird, but from what I can tell, you're basically creating a supernova. Like, look. This is what a supernova looks like from the outside. This is Earth, by the way, that I'm exploding. Like, I made it size extreme Earth nova remnant. Holy crap. It's just consuming everything. I mean, everything in its path. Okay. I think the max it will get is maybe to me. Okay. Okay. The heck? Oh, snap. Oh, crap. It's going a little bit too fast for me to actually observe it. But let's see what exactly is going on here. Motion mass. We'll do moon 3. What the heck happens? It's gotta come back, right? Okay. Let's do this then. Open. Galaxy collision. This is supposed to happen to our galaxy soon. Love how like little star systems are choked out. Just think about what exactly is happening. Whoa. These are all billions and billions of stars. All just being mangled up. Does it ever stop? Okay, I think we messed that up, but okay. Here's 1,000 moons. Let's see what would happen. Bye bye Earth. Earth and moon. This is just an Earth and moon. Okay. Now, my question is, okay, one thing I've realized is there's kind of like a domino effect in this game. So, oh, if I do this, you know, line it up perfectly. I do add, and I pick a launch, and I pick Mercury. No, let's pick a minor. See if that actually hits. Oh crap. Now that we actually have to get close to the moon. Now that I realize this. Wait 1 second. Sorry. Review. Realistic. Auto. Pick. Boing. Now maybe the mass of the moon will pull both in. Just look at that. I was doing actual moon, like the moon. If the moon were to be hit really catastrophically, what would happen? Oh crap. Speed it up a lot, slow it down. I could actually only move. Fireworks! To add Mercury. Let's slow it the heck down. Let's do power. Mess with these. Holes. Firework. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's mess with the material some more. Organics take up a lot of everything, obviously. Let's add some water. Move some solids, some solidate. Let some solid iron. Let some solid that. Let some more water. Hydrogen. $55. Now I can see just power. Firework. Okay. What the? Oh. Oh crap. What is it doing to Mercury? Hmm. Oh, messes the temperature. Crap, we're moving so fast, it probably just heats up and then cools down. What have I done? It looks pretty, but what have I done? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Disco. Baby. There you go. Holy sun, you're bright. Oh yeah, I figured out this myself. In between suns. Ooh, what happened? I want to see what happens. Earth. That matter. Now, if we look carefully, let's turn it to a world ranking 110. Balance solar, wind, and planets. Radius. Haha! 2 days. Okay. Just, uh, huh. Let's see what we can do to poor old Earth. What I'm trying to do is increase the density by a lot. Less water. Holy crap. So guys, this is what Earth looks like. There's surface temperature. Look at it. What happens to it? Okay. Okay. Likelihood. Climate. Greenhouse gas. Times that limit. Who cares? Um. Up this. Up this. I'm trying to make an Earth here. Um. Age. Cares what its age is. Let's turn it to 900. I wish I could change that. Okay. How cold we can make it. Anyways, let's move on to the next planet. Next whatever. Oh, crap. I see the screen flash. Da 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 da. Collapsing moon. Okay. Yeah, well, is it? Doosh, 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 doosh. What the mass is of the next. Mass 18.6 moons. Oh crap. Screen gone. Forever. Where did the galaxy collision? Climate. There's gotta be a sun in everything. Yeah, there's gotta be everything. Do this then. Climate. Temperature 20. Okay, we're going through the seasons. Surface temperature -10. Oh! I want to watch everyone on the earth die. It's an ice age. Ouch. And it doesn't look like it's getting any better. It's like slowly defrosting. The world is. And every winter it just gets colder. But every summer it slightly gets warmer. So you can see the ice will come back and then it will disappear more than it has in the past. Temperature will just keep on rising. You know how hot it does get. Gets to the point where there's no glaciers on top. And then let's see what happens to Antarctica. '80. Not 80. Holy crap. I see that is back. 80 -50. Yeah, Earth is having problems right now. Slowly gonna melt. Slowly gonna melt. 500. Yeah, you. Grass will slowly grow. 9,000. See how slowly the temperature goes down. Slow down, mister. 50. This is what happened to the Earth. If the Earth were to heat up, apparently everything would melt. And just bye-bye life. Hope you guys all feel great about that. That if anything anything bad happens to the Earth, we ruin the Earth. There is no coming back from it. But hope you guys enjoyed, and I shall see you all next time. Bye!